We start making our rice pilaf. Ingredients: 1 cup rice. We wash it beforehand. 1 tablespoon of butter. 2 tablespoons of vermicelli. First, we drizzle our oil. It can be half a tea glass. After our oil is well warmed up, add 2 tablespoons of vermicelli. Barley noodles are fine. Now we roast the noodles until they turn golden brown. As you can see, our noodles are fried. At this stage, we add our rice. We roast our rice well. At this stage, you can add 1 teaspoon of salt. Then we add our butter. So we roast our pilaf. Counting the last ingredients. I repeat. We add half a tea glass of vegetable oil. 1 cup rice. We roast it to tablespoons of vermicelli. Then we add the water. Yes, at this stage. After it boils well, close the lid and put it on low heat. We close the lid until the water is absorbed. Turn off the heat when the water is absorbed over low heat. Our pilaf cooked very well. At this stage, we turn off the heat of our pilaf. We leave a paper towel on the lid of our pot and we close and let it rest for 15 or 20 minutes. Bon appetit!